Welcome to Tech Up Power Engineering, and today we will be using magnets to crush items. So let the smashing begin.
Firstly, let's try Red Bull and see if it will truly show us its wings. These massive magnets offers an incredible 1,200 kilograms of holding force. You certainly don't want to get your fingers in between these. We made a custom non-magnetic sliding jig so we can safely push one magnet and crush all types of items. Watch till the end to see how these items even reaches our roof, which is 10 meters high. First Red Bull definitely stood no chance. What a great eruption! Do you think these lighters are about to give us a surprise? Well, wait and see. Let's see that bang from another angle. What an explosion! Let's try that again. Take 2. Next, we're kicking things off with a tablet, clean, ready, and full of potential. That tablet definitely stood no chance. And this is how it ended up looking. Total destruction and mission accomplished. Now let's try some flour. A little sprinkle here and a little sprinkle there, or will it be a big puff? Let's see if we can make some scrambled eggs. What an egg stream explosion! Now let's see that again. What a crack! Let's cook up a limited edition TPE smash sandwich. As these magnets draw closer to one another, the pulling force rises and compresses the item. And these magnets won't stop until they are touching. Now that's a proper smash sandwich. Now let's make a banana split. What a split! Let's see that again, but from a different angle. And now, this is how it ends, with a messy explosion. This is definitely not your average dessert, but it sure made a mess. Now, let's try a Tropica juice box. It's nice, chilled, looking all innocent, but we're about to turn things up. Let's see that again, but in slow-mo. Just take a look at how long this juice takes to fall down as it's splashed everywhere. Now let's try some of these pop. Let's rewatch that, but from a different view. Just take a look at this aftermath. Let's see what happens to toothpaste. When the toothpaste hears Mint's explosion, and it takes it literally. Let's take another look from a different angle. The top of this toothpaste became a projectile. The toothpaste got folded. Just look as the toothpaste is falling back down, almost looking like snow. What a squeezy mess, wasn't that? Keep in mind that this is 10 meters up. Let's see what this red juice has in store for us. Get ready for the splash. Now that's what I splash. Oopsie. Let's try a mug filled with coffee. Last but not least, let's try some milk. Nice, smooth, until it splashes everywhere. Here comes the milky madness.
Vat my so sy bootjie weg.
And if you were wondering on how fast these magnets truly crush, just take a look at the following videos in real time. If you would like to see more things like this get crushed, drop a comment down below with what you would like to see next. Follow, share and like. And don't forget to keep watching so that you don't miss out. Maybe your item is next.